G'day everyone. Today in this video I'm going to make navy blue. I'm going to do a couple of different shades of navy blue. So the two colours you need are cyan blue and black. You can use ultramarine blue if you want to and just vary it a little bit. So we're just going to add some blue paint to my glass here. I'm just going to add a little bit of black here on the side. If I can get it out of the tube, that is. Oops, there it is. So first start off with just a little bit of black paint on the palette knife there and just add it to the blue and mix it up. Get my brush and have a look and see what it looks like. It's not navy blue yet, so we'll add some more black paint to the blue. And keep adding black paint to the blue until you get the right colour navy blue you need. It's starting to go a lot darker now. Add that in my brush. Okay. I'd say it's almost navy blue. More black. I'm going to add some more black, see how far we can go with this. Okay. There you go, some different colours blues there. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like on our video, and please subscribe if you want to learn more about mixing colours. We'll see you all later. Bye for now.